In this video, we'll create a tornado inside a bottle using only a few materials. For this demonstration, you will need 2 empty bottles, water, and a plastic tube connector. If you don't have a connector, you can create one yourself by using a washer and duct tape. In addition, you can add food coloring to the water, and if you want to prevent any leaks, you can use plumber's tape. Now, let's start our activity by filling one bottle about 2/3 full. Add about 2 to 3 droplets of food coloring and mix well. Let's attach the connector tube to the filled bottle. Once that's secured, screw the empty bottle on top. Make sure both sides are tight to prevent any leaks. Next, flip the setup so the full bottle is on top. Hold the top bottle and gently swirl it in a circular motion. You'll start to see a vortex form, and just like that, we've made a tornado inside a bottle. When starting this activity, you might think that the bottom bottle is empty, but it's actually full of air. When we flip the setup without swirling, the water drains very slowly. That's because the air in the lower bottle can only rise in bubbles, and that holds the water back. But when we swirl the top bottle, we create a vortex. The spinning motion forms a central hole due to centripetal forces. This hole allows air from the bottom to rise smoothly through the center, while the water drains through the sides. In the real world, tornadoes don't form from water, but from rapidly rotating air. But this is a simple activity to understand how air flows through the center of a tornado's funnel. Thanks for watching this video. For more activities and resources like this, visit the NOAA Office of Education website.